Hello there, curious vapors. Welcome to Cloud Theorem. I am Deviated Septum, and today is a very special day. So excited, I cannot hide it. There's no tank in here. It's an RDA. Finally had a reason to pull out my Pro Drip. God, that sounds hilarious. Pro Drip? VGod, come on, guys. You know why I've got the Pro Drip on? Because we're reviewing some mad juices. What juices? What? From Marina Vape, of course. Oh yeah. Look, and it's fresh. Not a single juice has hit these coils and cotton yet. Bam! The Aqua line from Marina Vape. I've selected my personal 3 favorite of the Aqua line. We have the Aqua Flow, the Aqua Oasis, and the Aqua Mist. These juices come in 0 nicotine strengths as well as 3 and 6. And for you cool cat vapors out there who like the icy ice, we've got the same thing in ice. Bam! Both the ice and the non-ice juices are 70 VG, 30 PG. I'm not going to be putting the ice versions into my dripper today. I'm not the biggest fan of menthol, but I hear they're excellent. But wait, there's more. What if you are more of a Saltnik fan, you know? No problem. We've got you covered. Bam! Right there. Same exact thing. We have the Aqua Mist, the Aqua Oasis, and the Aqua Flow in salt nicotine. And that's 35 milligrams strength or 50. Both of those 50-50 PG-VG. But we're not going to be stressing any refillable pod systems today with this. We're going to be reviewing the original Mist, Oasis, and Flow in the dripper. Let's get to it. I feel really short today for some reason. Just fix that. Ah, yeah. A little bit. Much better. But before we review the Flow, Oasis, and Mist, we have a very special guest in the house. Meet the highly acclaimed Aqua Pure. Of the 4 lines in Marina Vape's production, the Aqua, the Creme de la Creme, Alpha Vape, and the Alternative, the Pure here takes the cake. This here is their best-selling and highest rated juice. And somehow it went right over my head. Maybe I've been living under a rock or something, but I've never tried it, and I'm gonna do it right here with you. The Aqua Pure here comes in 0, 3, and 6 for nicotine strength. And for you menthol lovers out there, no worries. We have the Pure in ice. And should you be a salt nicotine fan, don't worry, Marina Vape has you covered. Boom. All right, I'm ready to see what the fuss is all about. Let's give it a go. I'm gonna be rolling with the 3 today. Let's have a closer look at the box. The Aqua Pure is a blend of strawberry, apple, and watermelon. Strawberry, apple, and watermelon. How did I miss this? All right, we also have that standard warning over here, which lets you know there's nicotine in here, and nicotine is an addictive chemical. On the back of the box, it says that it's made right here in the USA, and sale is only allowed in the United States. Must be of legal smoking age to purchase, not for sale to minors, of course. The ingredients of the juice are USP kosher-grade vegetable glycerin, USP propylene glycol, natural and artificial flavors, and USP nicotine. And here is the Pure bottle up close with its standard green kind of turquoise color scheme, emblematic of the Aqua line. All right, let's invite the dripper into this. Let's apply some Pure. Make sure to saturate the fresh cotton. Go in the well, over the coils. Cap it off. Let's do it. Oh, yes. I think I'm starting to see what the fuss is all about. Oh, this is a really nice and gentle fruity combination. This is like the perfect marriage between strawberry, apple, and watermelon. I love the taste. Oh, I'm definitely going to be adding this to my daily go-to. It's a very smooth vape. There's no burning. I don't feel it in the back of my throat. Very gentle in the nose as well. It's a very mild concoction of fruit. It's not an overpowering flavor that lingers in your mouth afterwards. But I gotta have one more. All right, on to Oasis, Mist, and Flow. Starting with the Flow, the juice profile according to the box is a pineapple guava mango. Pineapple guava mango? What sort of delicious concoction is that? Marina Vape did, of course. Let's pop this box open. Here's the bottle up close. Got your standard warnings in the back. 3 milligrams all the way. Not for minors, not for ladies who are pregnant and so forth, not for animals. Don't ingest, don't put it in your eye. You know the deal. All right, let's do this. It's aqua time. Yeah. I could definitely smell the pineapple in there. That smell is very, very evident. I feel like I'm at the farmer's market. And drippage dripping away. Get it nice and moist. All right, that looks nice and primed. Ooh. This juice is delicious. I especially taste the pineapple. That's definitely the more prominent flavor. I'm not feeling anything in the back of my throat. It's not harsh. It's actually a very smooth vape. Let's go again. Very smooth on the septum as well. I'm not feeling any burning in the nose. I picked the Flow first because it's most often my all-day vape. Lots of my vapor buddies also prefer this as their first choice. I can't get enough of this stuff. Oasis is next. The Oasis is a blend of peach, cantaloupe, and papaya. Sounds delicious. Yeah. Commence the dripping, please. Don't judge me on these leads that are sticking out. You saw the scissors I have to work with. It's Oasis time. Another example of a very smooth blend of a nice, tangy, fruity. I personally love papaya, and this is an excellent example in vape form if you're a papaya fan. Once again, very gentle on the nose, nothing in the back of your throat, just a very smooth vape all around. What a divine blend of peach in there as well. And my third top daily grind is gonna be the mist. And mist consists of green apple, peach, and kiwi. Let's vape on. Here's the mist bottle up close. Very similar. Again, this is 70/30 VG/PG. All right, let's drip. All right, get that juice in there. Make sure to fill the juice wells in the bottom. All right, let's get misty. Green apple is one of my favorite vape flavors. Just a very gentle and soothing vape. Just makes for a very delicious and satisfying experience. The peach and kiwi just take the green apple and wrap a nice bow around the flavor. Makes for a great experience. Any one of these three you could vape all day. It's not something you're gonna get tired of. It's not an overpowering taste. It's just right. Man, the Marina Vape mad scientists sure have their stuff together. These guys are definitely experts in their field and they know what's up. All right, curious minds, I definitely recommend you go ahead and try these out and tell me your thoughts. The original Flow, Oasis and Mist is my favorite, and then there's a whole new batch. We've got the Blue Raz, the Sour Melon, and the Rainbow Drops, and the nicotine salt versions of those are also an excellent way to go. That's gonna wrap it up for us. 10% off discount code in the description below. We'll see you in the next review. Deviated Septum out, and you've been watching Cloud Theorem. Later.